Hi everyone. In this video, learn how to fix Roblox error code 533. Your privacy settings prevent you from joining this server. First, make sure to run Roblox as an admin. Here, right-click the Roblox player app and select Properties. In the compatibility settings of your Roblox properties, enable the Run this program as an administrator option and apply your changes. Change Roblox privacy settings. Next, open up your browser of choice, Google Chrome. Navigate to roblox.com and log in with your account. From here, click on the gear icon on the top right of this window and select Settings. In your privacy settings, you should, first of all, make sure that your account restrictions are disabled. When enabled, they will prevent you from joining many Roblox servers. Below, ensure everyone is selected regarding who can chat with you. Change browser security settings. While in your browser, navigate to your settings. For Chrome, click on the burger menu on the top right and select Settings. Under Privacy and Security, click on Security and change this option to Standard Protection to see if this potentially fixes the error you are getting. Most users don't have to change this setting, which has helped resolve error code 533 for many Roblox players. While in your Chrome settings, search for browsing and click on Clear Browsing Data. Delete your cookies and other site data for the last 7 days. You can then close your settings and try to join the Roblox server again. Delete temporary files. Search for temporary files to open your Delete Temporary Files system settings. Here, proceed to delete your temporary files. Disable VPN connection. Lastly, you should ensure your VPN connection is disabled when trying to join a Roblox server. A VPN connection can be very useful, but it can also cause errors when joining a server.